Have you ever fantasized about earning money while enjoying your favorite games? Well, guess what? Today is your lucky day because I have an incredible opportunity for you. Picture effortlessly making money online by simply playing games. It may sound too good to be true, but hold on, it's real, and it's surprisingly easy. In this video, I'm revealing a step-by-step guide that exposes the secret to earning money through gaming. No intricate maneuvers, no lengthy tutorials, just a straightforward roadmap to increasing your bank balance while having a great time. Believe me, you won't want to overlook any details because, by the conclusion of this video, you'll be on the path to enhancing your earnings and earning cash by engaging in what you love. Let's delve in and turn those gaming dreams into a reality. Let's start with the first step. Visit a website that I'll unveil shortly. On this platform, you can earn money by completing simple tasks, participating in surveys, and, notably, playing games. It comes with the endorsement of Trustpilot, with a remarkable rating of over 4.2 out of 5 stars. This indicates that it's a top-tier and reliable platform for making money online through gaming. Just click on the Sign Up/Login button, register using your Google or Facebook account, confirm your email, and log in. After logging in, your dashboard will showcase various ways to earn money by playing games. Navigate to the Offer Wall section, featuring reputable companies such as AdGate Media, Lootably, Monlix, Send Media, and more. Choose AdGate Media, and you'll find a variety of games, each providing a reward. For example, playing Monopoly Go can earn you 16,300 coins, equivalent to $163. Explore the payment structure of the game, create a new account, achieve different easily attainable levels, and redeem your rewards using your preferred payment method. Likewise, engaging in Magnet Miner can reward you with 36,100 coins, translating to $36.01. Accomplishing levels in games such as Sky Plunger can yield up to 5,700 coins, equivalent to $5.07. It's a simple method to earn a few additional dollars while enjoying entertaining games, and you can finish the levels in just 3 to 4 days. Alright, the website's Freewnet. Just a note, the website typically grants you 30,000 coins, which are equivalent to $30. Pause for a moment. It's time to reflect. Have you been enjoying the content thus far? If your response is affirmative, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Simply click the subscribe button and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our future uploads. Now, let's resume with the video. Embark on a detailed exploration of Freewnet, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of how to maximize your earnings on this dynamic platform. Throughout this in-depth journey, we meticulously dissect each step, offering insights that enable you to fully grasp the wealth of opportunities presented by Freewnet. As we transition to the crucial second step, we will unravel strategic gameplay strategies aimed at achieving the most substantial earnings. Head to the Offer Wall section and specifically direct your focus to the Nautic Offer Wall. Actively engaging with the game and advancing through its levels can lead to an impressive accumulation of 75,000 coins, translating to a noteworthy $75. The appeal of this opportunity rests in the ability to claim rewards every 24 hours. With a carefully planned gaming strategy, it's conceivable that you could find yourself earning $75 in just 2 days. The array of games available is diverse, with each one presenting alluring rewards spanning from $35 to an impressive $72 per game. As we smoothly move on to the third step, let's explore the tactics that have the potential to increase your earnings tenfold on Freewnet. The key to success lies in consistency. Logging in every day rewards you with a bonus. It's a straightforward yet highly effective method to boost your earnings with minimal effort. Remember to check out the promo section, where codes from Freeward's official Instagram page provide access to spin the lucky wheel, granting you extra coins at no cost. Explore the video section, a sanctuary where you can dive into a plethora of content, ranging from gaming videos and comedy to music and even movies. By choosing topics that capture your interest, you not only enjoy the content but also earn money in the process. Another avenue worth investigating is the Survey Walls option. Completing simple surveys can result in earning over $5, and with multiple survey wall companies on Freewnet, daily opportunities abound to add to your growing online earnings. An essential reminder is to avoid using any VPN service while on Freewnet, as doing so may lead to the termination of your account. For a smooth and uninterrupted experience, access the platform without the use of a VPN. Now, let's shift our focus to the ultimate step, the thrilling moment of withdrawing your well-earned money from Freewnet. Head to the withdrawal section, where you'll find a variety of withdrawal methods, including PayPal, cryptocurrency, and an assortment of gift cards like Amazon, Visa, Fortnite, PlayStation, Netflix, and more. Delve into these choices, pick your preferred method. I, for one, tend to favor PayPal and enter the amount in coins. A straightforward click on the Submit button kicks off the process, and you'll promptly receive a notification confirming the success of your withdrawal. In essence, Freewnet goes beyond being a typical online platform. It distinguishes itself as a versatile hub offering numerous opportunities to enhance your income through a variety of channels. This dynamic platform seamlessly integrates elements of gaming, alluring bonuses, exclusive promotions, captivating videos, insightful surveys, and user-friendly withdrawal options. It's not merely about earning money, it's about creating a holistic and gratifying experience. Moreover, the ease of withdrawal options ensures that your well-deserved rewards are just a few clicks away. Freewnet doesn't merely offer a chance to earn money, it encourages you to savor the entire process. Prepare yourself for a unique experience where you not only increase your earnings, but also revel in the joy of making money while thoroughly enjoying your time on Freewnet. It's more than just a platform, it's a lifestyle where financial growth converges with pure enjoyment. That concludes today's presentation. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Ensure you subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.